Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how you can organize your cupboard with just one piece of paper. And it's really simple, and I'm really thankful for it too. So Modular Mates are a system that are meant to be a permanent storage solution for your bulk buying needs. And in our cupboard, this is our baking cupboard, we use our Modular Mates for our flour, our powdered sugar. This is Bisquick, brown sugar, and then you'll see that we have regular flour and self-rising flour and gluten-free flour and bread flour. Yes, 4 different kinds of flour because that's just how we roll. But what's nice about this Modular Mates is they are designed to keep moisture out and the bugs and little critters that might come into your home out as well. It also keeps them in, so if you pour in your flour into the Modular Mate and you seal it up and then you see a dark line, that means that flour had bugs in it at the store. And you should return that. And they'll give you a new one and they have to clear off the whole shelf. Fun fact. So when you think about Modular Mates, you need to think about 2 questions. Am I going to scoop or am I going to pour? Those are the 2 things, scoop or pour. If you're going to scoop, you're going to want to use something square or rectangular. So this is the rectangle one. It's what we keep our brown sugar in. We used to keep our powdered sugar in it as well in an oval, super oval, but it ended up being such a pain in the drain because I always like to scoop it out. So if you scoop, squares or rectangles. If you pour, you're going to want to have super ovals, or here's my super oval or oval. So fun fact, by the way, a great way to store your plastic silverware individually is with super ovals or ovals. These are all our forks. So it doesn't have to be just food, okay? That's my point. So how you figure out with a piece of paper. So I'm going to take out my sugar and my brown sugar, and I want to show you that a piece of paper fits in my cupboard. Now it hangs over just a little bit, but that's okay, because when you take a rectangle and you put that same piece of paper, you can see that it's a little bit smaller than the piece of paper. The point is, if you can fit a piece of paper into your cupboard front to back, rectangles will fit in your cupboard, and so will super ovals. If you can't, and your cupboards are only going about right here, that's when you want to look at ovals and squares. Now for most campers or RVs, this is the size that will fit in those because the cupboards are usually pre-made and it's for a tiny space. So what we have here on sale through this event, through the 22nd, if you're watching this in real time, is Modular Mates. And it's 2 different sets. The first set is going to include a rectangle 1, great for all your sugars, powdered sugars, a rectangle 2, a rectangle 3, which is perfect for your flour, and a rectangle 4. Okay, and this fits really those really nice big bags of chips from Costco nicely. It's a good way to keep them from not going bad. So it includes 1 of each. And one of the features of Modular Mates is that you're able to stack them. So they're kind of like Legos as a way as well. So they're meant to be stackable, and you can see that these are all the height of a 5. Most cupboards are the height of a 3 or a 2, and it doesn't matter the shape, all the heights are the same. So a 2 in an oval is the same as a 2 in a rectangle. Now the other set that's on sale, if you're watching this in real time, is our oval set. It's a unique set, it's not in the catalog. It features an oval 4, which is great for noodles, 2 2s, a 3, and an oval 1. Now, if you don't have, I don't usually say you have to buy stuff in Tupperware, but honestly, people, if you don't have your baking soda in an oval 1, all you're doing is deodorizing this cupboard. because most people just have the cardboard box with the thing open, and all the odors, just like it deodorizes your refrigerator, all the odors are going into that baking soda that's open, and then into your cookies you make later. Yuck. So, Oval One fits a box of baking soda. So that is how that works. So again, this set right here, if you're watching this in real time, is going to be $31 through this event and through the 22nd of May. And then this set right here, which is our rectangular set where you get one of each size, is going to be on sale through the 22nd in this event for $50. Normally it's $100 in the catalog. Now, if you're like, Sarah, I really wish I knew how to do this and I want more planning, like I want to know what's going to fit in what container, like how much, what size should I have for my brown sugar, what size should I have for my noodles. There's a really great resource available to you that if you want that resource, go ahead and say, I would like the website, please. At our website, infiniteshine.net, we have, I did a demo similar to this, and it explains how to do your own custom kitchen. It also has planning sheets there, and it has what fits what in that one link. So if you want to have that link, go ahead and put in the comments below, link please, and the consultant that invited you to watch this video will be able to give you that information. So thank you so much for joining us. I can't wait to read the comments.